Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're going to see how to install Webstorm in Ubuntu 18.04. Webstorm is a coding assistant for JavaScript. It is compiled to JavaScript languages, Node.js, HTML and also CSS. So in this tutorial we will see the installation of Webstorm in Ubuntu 18.04. So let's get started and we will start with Java installation. So let's add a Java repository and press enter to continue. So the repository is added now. As it is a Ubuntu 18.04, we don't have to update the repository package. We can directly install the Java. So here we're gonna install Oracle Java 9 installer. So you can make use of this command to install it. And it takes several minutes based upon your internet speed. So just press OK and then accept the license terms. Now Oracle Java 9 has been installed, and you can verify that by using a following command. So if you here uses Java version 9. So and then we're gonna download Webstorm using it as a tarball file from its official website. So now the Webstorm has been downloaded, and then we're gonna extract the package. And then now let's navigate into the Webstorm package. Let's list all the files there. So we have to go to the bin directory. And here we have to run the webstorm.sh script file. Now the installation wizard will appear. So first choose if you already have any settings, you can import. If you don't have, you can simply click on do not import settings and press OK. And then you must accept the license terms. Now the installation will begin. Here we're gonna use a trial package, so the evaluation is free for 30 days. If you want to buy Webstorm, you can choose this option. So just click on evaluate and accept. Now at first you have to customize the Webstorm interface, that is UI. So after choosing, you can click on next desktop entry. So here we're gonna create a desktop entry for integration of the system menu so that it will appear on the dashboard. And then click on create a script for opening files and from the command line. So you can use the option to open the file from the command line. And then this is the plugin wizard, so you can install any plugin as per your wish. And then after that you can click on start using Webstorm, and then Webstorm will open. So this is the latest version 2018.1 version, and here you can see the expiration date and license and all. So after that, if you already have a project, you can open it using open command, or if you want to create a new project, simply click on new project. So you can choose what kind of project you are developing and then click on create. And from here you can start working on your project. So this is how you install Webstorm latest version on Ubuntu 18.04. I hope this tutorial helps you. Thank you for watching.
If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com. Mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for any queries.